Hello, I am Dr. Narendra Gupta. I welcome you all. Today I am going to present another case of belladonna, simple case, but not simple for everyone because this is kind of cases are not easily to get cured. They take very long time. But if you somehow you select perfect simillimum, that it can be cured easily. Such cases can also be cured easily. So this is a case of lady 42 years age, slightly obese, tall, well built body, came to me complaining of urticaria rashes. Those rashes are aggravated in winter after 11 am, last whole day and is ameliorated only after sleep in the morning. She had not taken any treatment till now. I asked, why have not you taken any treatment? This is very unusual. She replied, I thought it may be an ant's bite, and A-N-T, ant's bite. So I get itching everywhere because it goes away when I get up in the morning and leaves my bed. So if she has got itching all over the body, but she has never seen any ant on her body, and every day she can't be bitten by ants. So this is just a foolish, absolutely nonsensical idea, a nonsensical statement she is having these itching because of some ant bites. So but she has reason to make. So this is objective, reasonable and delusion, wealth of and frivolous. There are three rubrics I have taken just because from this kind of small conversation. How objective reasonable means she has given a proper reason according to her own statement, according to her own level of thinking, that she thought these are ant bites. Itching is because of ant bites, so there is no need to take medicine. So she has given the reason. So this is objective, reasonable. Delusion, wealth of. Because she is not having any disease for other disease, and she is also well in the morning in the bed. So this is another reason of not taking any treatment, but this is a sense of fulfillment, sense of certain kind of better being, only except this urticaria, she is not having any disease. So this means she is wealthy in all the fields. So this rubric I took as delusion, wealth of. And frivolous. Frivolous means if ant bites or urticaria or itching is going on for a long 1 year, more than a year, and she is not having any treatment, so this is sign of idiocy actually, because she is not able to understand the depth of her sickness. Or if she has understood the depth of sickness, she is not taken very seriously, because an urticaria and the things which is happening every day can't be because of ant bite, and one should take a serious note of it. But she did not. So that's amount to frivolousness. So objective, reasonable, again whatever I have written I am explaining you now. She is giving the reason of not taking any treatment because she did not realize that it is some disease, because it is ameliorated at night in bed after sleep. So this is not a disease, so she has given the reason. Delusion, wealth of means wealth is riches. One does not feel short of anything. So here she feels that disease is not that serious which can reduce its well-being, that is richness. Frivolous means not serious, not of much importance, light-hearted. So she feels the disease is not serious. Now when I came to my mother's house, she told me that this itching is due to urticaria. Means her mother told her that she is not ants bite, but this is urticaria. Then she came to know that this is some disease and not due to an ant bite. It is an allergy, so I should get it treated with medicine. Then I realized, yes, it must be allergy. So this rubric is naive, credulous. Otherwise, how ant can bite me all the time? She could not understood unless her mother told her the reason of these itchings. So this is equivalent to naive, because she could not understand anything. This was new to this field. This is new to have this kind of experience. So her mother had to tell her. So naive is marked by unaffected simplicity, deficient in worldly wisdom or informed judgment. So here the patient is so simple in thinking that she could not realize that ant bite could not last for whole year. He could realize only when her mother told her and she believed it. So believing is naive. Credulous, too ready to believe things. So both the rubrics are in this patient, naive as well as credulous. Here she readily believed her mother without doubting her wisdom or intention. So belladonna was prescribed 3 doses and followed by the routine remedy. She came on 9th January 2005. She came back after 6 days. Eruption itching slightly less, not much improvement has taken place. So this is the reason, because she does not have a capacity to calculate things as how much improvement she has taken, because if she had been suffering with this urticaria for the last 1 year, but she could not realize that this is urticaria. So you can know her ability, her capacity of understanding about things. So how can she understand about the quantum of relief she had taken? So she said she is having slight relief. So but I believed, at least she said that she is relieved now. Then she came back after another 10 days. The itching was very less. Now after 15 days she has realized that itching has become less. And then she came back on after a month. The itching was almost nil, but she came. When asked to discontinue the treatment, she said that my husband wants me to continue the treatment, so please continue my medicine. This is again credulous, but she should have spoken to her husband that she doesn't need any medicine as she has no itching. So there is no need to take further medicine, but she said her husband wants her to continue the medicine, that's why I am taking it. So this is not an excuse. So this amount to credulous and naive. So again, routine medicine was prescribed. She came back after 1 month. She came back with her husband, and husband told that he was told that there is no need for further medication, and she is now not having any complaint. So she did not have any courage to tell her husband that she is okay, fine, there is no need to take any medicine. So this what does it indicate? Indicate that her husband has no confidence in her. Is she telling truth or lie? So he herself came to me to confirm that if she needs some medicine or not. When I told that she doesn't need any medicine because she is cured now, then they stopped the medicine. So this is how a case of allergy, urticaria, which is very, very difficult to cure, got cured with 3 doses of belladonna in such a short span of 2 months. So this is the miracle of enlightened homeopathy. It can do, the true simillimum can go very deep into the person's body, person's economy. It cures the vital force to its root and eradicates the disease permanently. So this is real cure. Thanks for watching my videos. But real thanks, I think, will be when you subscribe the channel and pass these videos to everyone, every homeopath on this globe, so that this kind of selection of medicine, this kind of homeopathy, the real homeopathy, can reach to every homeopath and they can treat the patient with full confidence. If doctor is confident and give good results, then homeopathy will be a dependable science and public will run after us. That will be the day when public will get some kind of freedom from the modern medicine. Thanks.